Someone always asks me what platform they should use for their online courses. And my answer is always the same. They're all garbage. This video and playlist are going to show and tell you why, and more importantly, what you should be asking instead. I'm Dr. Katrina Mitchum, and I've been designing and redesigning courses online since 2009. So I'm going to paint you a picture. We've got someone who spends 3 months building the perfect Kajabi setup, right? So they've got custom branding, a beautiful sales page, automated email sequences, everything the tutorials told them to do, right? They launch, they sell it, people sign up. 6 months later, they have a 4% completion rate. They're getting refund requests. They've got students who bought it and then disappeared, which means they weren't successful. The platform worked perfectly. The course did not. And Kajabi never told them that that was a possibility because Kajabi isn't designed to actually care about whether or not people learn things. And that's why there's always something missing from platform comparisons. Every single course platform, Kajabi, Teachable, Thinkific, System, Circle, Mighty Networks, were built to solve the same problem. How do we help creators sell and deliver content, right? These platforms are all content repositories. That is not the same problem as how do we help our clients actually get success, right? That's a learning problem. Selling and delivering content is what people who create courses think they're supposed to do, right? And so platforms have tried to make it easier for you to do that. What it hasn't done is created spaces where clients can come in and actually learn and be successful. And that is causing problems, right? Because you can't pour information into someone's head and they learn it and apply it. And so when people aren't seeing results, they're unhappy customers. That means when your course fails, when students drop off, when they're not completing things, when they're asking for refunds, when they're not recommending you, when testimonials don't come, the platform isn't going to tell you why. It's just going to keep charging you $200 a month. So what are you supposed to do, right? Today, I am going to give you 3 questions to help you evaluate the platform you're on right now or the platform that you're considering. And this is not in a, does it look good? Is it easy to set up? Can I look professional? These are learning design questions. Question 1, can you build some sort of completion marker tied to the activities, to the implementation of the information, not just to the video watch, right? So a lot of courses will have watch this video, fill out this PDF, watch this video, fill out this PDF. And so when students get to the end and they've watched all the videos, it might look like they finished your course, but they got nothing out of it because they didn't actually apply any of the information. There is a big difference between a client watching all those videos and actually doing the work, the implementation, the thing that is going to get that change for them. And so if your platform is only tracking when someone presses play, and the video runs its time, it can't tell you if they're applying anything. Question 2, can you build branching paths so that clients only see what's relevant to them? Not every client starts from the same place. Not every client comes in with the same experiences. They should be at the same level. That's in a whole other video. But there are still differences when people come to you, in a platform that shows everyone the same linear list of lessons is treating your clients like they are all identical, but they're not. Question 3 is, how many clicks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop? No, I'm just kidding. How many clicks does it take to get from I finished the video to I'm doing the activity? Count them out loud in your own platform. Every extra click is friction, and friction kills completion. Most platforms bury any actual kind of learning work under navigation menus and next lesson buttons that prioritize content delivery over actually doing something with the content. So go test your platform on those 3 questions. In this playlist, I am going to test several platforms against those questions for you. So if you haven't picked a platform yet, The rest of this playlist is for you. I'm going to use the same lesson every time. I'm using a real lesson from my own course. Specifically, it is a brain dump exercise that has kind of 3 different paths depending on where my learners are starting from. So when people enter my course, they typically are an expert in something and they want to teach someone else. They have been working with clients one-on-one and they want to build in some sort of asynchronous learning component to that one-on-one work, whether that's from moving from service-based to helping clients do things on their own. There's a lot of different ways. Or they have done a course live and they're trying to make it more evergreen. It has a timed activity, it has some branching logic based on those 3 paths, and it has clear next steps. It is not super complicated. I built it originally in a freaking Google Doc, but it's enough to show you exactly where each platform shines and breaks. And I'm going to tell you right now, none of them pass all 3, right? Even the one where my course currently lives. Some fail one, some fail both, some just fail all of them. So by the time I get to the end of this playlist, I'm not going to actually have a recommendation, but I'll have a conclusion and hopefully you'll find something that is going to better fit what you're doing. The question is never which platform is best because, like I said, they're all garbage. The question is why none of them are actually built for learning. The first platform that I'm going to jump into is Teachable. If it's not there, it'll be there next week.